My name is Renyuan Xu, and before joining Stanford, I held faculty positions at New York University and the University of Southern California. Before that, I did my postdoc at Oxford, and I completed my PhD in the Bay Area from UC Berkeley. So I always have a lot of passion in developing interdisciplinary tools that combine probability, statistics, and optimization. I use these tools to build theoretical foundations and solve practically challenging decision-making problems in large scale, especially in the context of the financial market and financial system. I think regarding this vision, MS&E would be a perfect fit because the department has very broad research interest, very collaborative culture, and integration of diverse strengths. I look very forward to collaborate with the colleagues to contribute and to grow with such an interdisciplinary environment to work with my colleagues and student fellows in the department. So my research lies at the intersection of financial engineering, stochastic control, and machine learning. Lately, I have been developing generative AI tools. The idea is that financial institutions can use these methodologies to help them improve their risk management, as well as run stress testing and back testing in a much more efficient way. And from a broader scope, I hope this line of work can contribute in building a more resilient financial network so that it is more robust with respect to uncertainty and systematic risks. If you are interested in understanding and modeling real-world challenges and developing rigorous and principled methodologies to tackle these challenges, then MS&E would be a perfect fit for you. Because I believe MS&E has a very unique culture that values both depth and breadth. And with such a culture, I think naturally very impactful innovations just spark and come. I spend a lot of time on tennis courts. I think sports in general, or tennis specifically, have taught me resilience. For example, how to face setbacks, how to be mentally strong, and how to just push things forward. I think these are valuable lessons for research as well, because we are trying to solve challenging problems, being persistent, and being capable of embrace challenges are very important. I have been reading one book recently called Nexus, a brief history of information networks from the Stone Age to AI. And the book talks about the history of networks, including economic network, financial network, social network, and technology networks. It also traces how these networks have shaped human progress. It also talks about how today's AI also fits into a broader picture of such a network. And it's also fun to see that, well, AI is revolutionary, transformative, and sometimes a bit overwhelming. It is just a part of a longer human progress that we try to build an interactive system. And at MS&E, we study various types of systems and networks, including financial systems that I'm more focused on, but also other systems and networks such as healthcare systems, queuing networks, matching markets, and organization at work, and etc. So it's interesting to reflect how these systems and networks stand with the evolution of AI. And I also think it's important to keep up with the technology development, but meanwhile maintaining a broader perspective of the development and human progress.